Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this Nature's Walk DSP card and Nature's Symphony dies. This is what the one side of the DSP, and this is what the other side of the DSP. And this is the die that I used. Looks like that. Other great dies that are also here. So let's get started. Your card base is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. The piece of DSP is 4 by 5 1/4, and just like I said, you can either use this side or this side, double-sided. The DSP is always double-sided, so you have two choices. And then the basic white 3 3/4 by 5, and I already die cut this piece in Misty Moonlight. I think this one I did Balmy Blue. So they all match with the DSP. Take a pause here for the measurements. Get them away. And then first things I'm going to do is go ahead and fold along the score line here and decide which side. I think I like this one. Let's see. Maybe I think I like this one. Yeah, it's a little darker. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the die and cut it on this piece of paper. I'll be right back. Okay, what I like about this die is it actually embosses and cuts. So let's show you. I'll use this as the frame, and then let's poke out. Let's see if I can do this. Yes, but yes, I love how it embosses the leaves in addition to cutting them out. Isn't that beautiful? So let's go ahead and adhere this piece first. In clockwise direction. And there's a little border there. And then this one, but I do want to pop this one up. So I'm going to get some dimensionals. I do the red lines so I can see if I took the release paper off. So make sure to put it on the places I don't want it kind of bending or bowing, if that makes sense. Maybe one more here and here. Let's release those. You can use mini ones too. I think I did that with all the other ones. But you get full size. Alright, that just pops it up a little bit. Here. Oops. Like that. Then, let's go ahead. Maybe put this one up this way. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Right there. Let's get some glue on there to make sure every leaf doesn't pop out. Silicone mat to keep that there. Where did I see it? I can't remember now. Okay, there. And then since I already popped this out, why not give it another layer? I think that'll look really nice. So same thing. Oops. Let's get some glue on each of the leaves. You can also use dimensionals if you like. Entirely up to you. Let's kind of put it at a different angle. Yeah, that'll look nice. Maybe this way. And there you go. What do you think? Pretty simple? A couple pieces. Again, that's the dark side, and this one's the other side. All right. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.